just wanted to check in with everyone and provide an updated self-healing regimen for you. Many years ago, I did one called Chakra Connection. It is based on healing touch methods. And then, as you know, I do Reiki as well. So I incorporate the two methods together when I'm working on myself or anyone else. So first, you're gonna always want to get grounded and attuned to whatever space you're in, whatever's going on with you. After you've done that, then you can say a short little prayer if you'd like. It's not necessary. If you're a Reiki practitioner, you can use the symbols, also not necessary. And you're gonna start on either leg. I'm just gonna start on my right, and I'm gonna do top and bottom of the foot, ankle and knee, knee and hip, and then we're switching top and bottom of the foot, ankle and knee, knee and hip, then both hips, and then we're coming in at the root chakra. This is responsible for grounding you right here. And I like to take my palm because our palm chakras are actually directly connected to our heart chakra. So we always give Reiki and any sort of energy healing from a place of love, from our heart. So you're gonna place it down here, kind of at the pelvic region, so that the palm is facing inward. So right there, and then at the sacral, which is orange, responsible for relationships, finances, sex. And you're gonna put the other hand on the sacral. And then you're just gonna stay in each of these positions around a minute. You can stay longer or less, whatever you feel. After that, you go sacral to solar plexus. Solar plexus is yellow. This is responsible for your gut intuition, your self-confidence. It's like the sun to the solar system. It gives you energy. Then solar plexus to heart. Heart is, of course, green, and it represents all types of love. So romantic love, agape love, all of it. So right here, and you notice that I have, of course, I'm touching my own, but on people, on other people, I do hover if they're women. And then from heart to throat. Throat is blue, and it's responsible, it's a seat of your communication. It's responsible for listening actively, communicating actively, speaking your truth. So throat and heart, then throat and third eye. Third eye is an indigo color. This is also called your brow chakra. And it is responsible for clarity, psychic intuition, all of that. And then lastly, we have your third eye and your crown. Crown is up here at the top of the head. It's purple typically. And it is responsible for connecting you to spirit. So every single session that I work on somebody, I do assess their chakras before I work on them, and then I reassess before I get them off the table, and we discuss things afterwards. So hopefully this little short self-healing helps. Let me know below if it does.